Hello, everybody. Thank you so much for joining us on Quick Scratch. It's just a little bit of fun scratching a lottery ticket to add something to your day, like it does mine. So we've got a $50,000 jackpot card. We're looking for winning symbols, 2x, 5x, or a money sign. And let's get into this card. So our first winning numbers are 10, 26, 29, 21, and 19. All right, let's see what we can find. 23, 24, 22, 14, and 4. All right, nothing on the first line. Let's see what we got on the second line. 25, 12, 8, 18, and 1. Next, we got 15, 9, 30, 28. Last one is 16. No winners on that card. Thank you so much for joining us, though. That was fun. I hope you have a great day. See you soon.